Good morning, YouTube, and my favorite Ninja Nation. Sandy C is here. I'm working with FEMA on Hurricane Ian cleanup. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Shit's fucked up, all right? So this has given me a lot of video ideas. My first priority, as I'm working right here, is helping these folks out and doing as much as I can. So, sorry guys, you've just been knocked down on the priority scale. These people need some help, so I'm out here doing this. But I have been seeing a lot of stuff happening, and I want to get that stuff reported to you. Things about our, well, people call them news stations, but they're not. They're entertainment channels. I'll get into that, and you know, because of that, a lot of people are dead. Because of these media channels playing games, and I'm seeing it firsthand. So I've got a lot of reports. I don't know when they're gonna come out because, like I said, man, I am 5 a.m. to I was 10 p.m. I think last night. So, all right, bear with me, guys. Just wanted to check in. Everything's good. I'm in a beautiful, nice, safe place. We can't go to the nasty places yet where there's still finding. There's still sewage. There's dead bodies everywhere. Still, it's bad. It's real bad. So hey, look, if you got an F-350 or bigger tractor trailer, something like that, there's opportunities to help, and there's a lot of money in it too, you know. So we've got a lot of expenses. I've spent several $1,000s just to get down here, but you know, I feel good about my soul, man. This is good work. I'm gonna let you go there before I get yelled at by somebody. But Ninja Nation, YouTube, be good. Love y'all, and I will continue to bring you some Hurricane Ian aftermath updates. All right, guys, I'm out.